Hi, my name is Nick Steever. This is my 11th course, as I just counted them on my computer, in this program. Having completed my certification already, and not quite placed officially, but I did today secure a assignment in first grade as a co-teacher at a small independent school. I have 18 students, so I'm really excited about that. In this course, this is the second action research class that I've taken, and the first one I focused mostly on classroom seating because that was a real need for me when I was in a long-term subbing position in fourth grade. But I feel like that sort of ran its course in what is inspiring me, and I do think classroom seating is super important, but I've noticed a lot of issues with kids' ability to play. And I don't think that it's all because of as much solitary play as kids get, but I do think that that is a big part of it. And I think that the way that gamification is done in classrooms, primarily with, kids pursuing different, gamified, curriculum-based things on devices. I just think that there's a real deficit in, kids' ability to play with each other and to sort of deal with a lot of the things that go on with that. And I still think that gamification is incredibly important. So I want to focus more on sort of traditional types of games, tabletop games, board games, escape rooms, role plays, things like that. And I think that things like that will get kids' minds opened up, their creativity inspired, and there's a lot of opportunities for content to be addressed in those. I think that the problems with this are going to be with especially if I'm going to be working with first grade students. They're very young, so the complexity of the games that we're going to be able to play is going to be challenging. It's going to be challenging dealing with winning and losing. So I want to try to find more cooperative games than competitive games. But I think play is really important, and I think that kids at that age, 6 and 7 years old, are very, that's definitely where they're at and already. So I think that should be easy. It's just going to be about playing nicely and dealing with some of the disappointments that come from when disappointments happen in games. But I'm really interested in this topic. I can't wait to explore it. I'm really excited for first grade and really excited to see what everybody's doing in this course. So thanks a lot.